My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Mercedes SLC. This vehicle has done just over 68,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. On the screen, we can get quick access to radio, navigation, media, and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side. And this is where we control the convertible roof. Once the roof has been latched on, we can see that we have a sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.